Human rights. Human rights are those rights that are necessary for human development in socially and politically accepted situations. Besides these, rights are necessary for human respect and dignity. People have been deprived of human rights in various forms of social and political systems of governance. We need to ensure the creation of such social, political, economic, and cultural circumstances that would lead to an acceptance of the use and legitimacy of human rights. According to UN, human rights could be generally defined as those which are inherent in our nature and without which we cannot live as human beings. Human rights imply justice, equality, and freedom for arbitrary and discriminatory treatment. The UNO was constituted to establish the stability in the world. The Human Rights Commission, set up by the UNO in 1946, started working on International Bill of Rights, which comprised Universal Declaration of Human Rights and two other covenants. The Declaration of Human Rights was accepted by the UNO on 10th December 1948. In India, National Human Rights Commission, National Commission for Women, National Minority Commission, and State Human Rights Commission, despite their limited powers, have played an important role in making people aware of their rights. National Human Rights Commission. In 1993, the Governor of India passed an act of legislature to protect human rights. A commission for human rights was set up under this law. The commission has been given powers of a civil court extendable to the entire country. NHRC makes an unique sumoto or on a petition presented to it by a victim or any person on his or her behalf. At the international level, the UNO has instituted a Committee for Human Rights which looks into the violations of international pacts. Violation of human rights. Police excesses, arbitrary arrests, denial of right to information, and corruption, sexual cruelty and rape of women, delay in investigation of crimes, female infanticide, kidnapping for ransom, deplorable conditions of women, children and downtrodden people, discrimination against women in the family, cruelty to domestic servants, are certain violations of human rights.